Hi, this is Fizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove sharing accounts on Instagram's Account Center. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. When you set up your account center, Instagram may suggest an account for you to add. For example, if you set up your account center with your Instagram account on your mobile device and you're logged into your Facebook account on the same device, Instagram may suggest that you add that Facebook account to your account center. Now, if you want to remove that account, first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can tap on your profile. Tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Account Center. You can see there's two accounts on my account center and I will remove one of them. You can scroll down and tap on Account. Now, you can choose one account that you want to remove from this account center on Instagram. I will choose this account. I will remove this account. So all we have to do is tap on the removed. You can tap remove. Are you sure you want to remove this account from this account center? You can tap on remove account. If you remove this account will lose access to connected experience. This will not delete or deactivate your account, so it just remove from this account center on your Instagram. Now you can tap on that, remove account. Tap on continue. Finish removing your account. You can read this. Tap on yes, remove this account. Tap on OK. So that account, your sharing accounts on account center has been removed from this account center, from this Instagram account center. So there's only one account on this account center. So that is how to remove sharing accounts on Instagram account center. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!